Hello viewers, when you first install Windows 11, the operating system automatically enables several settings in the background. Many users never notice these defaults and depending on your needs. Some are helpful while others may be better switched up. In this video, I will quickly walk you through 7 Windows 11 default settings that you should review. This is not a full list, but these are the settings I personally adjust for privacy, stability, and performance. Number 1, Windows Update Renewable Energy Scheduling. Windows 11 now tries to schedule updates around periods of cleaner energy availability in your region. You can find this in Setting Windows Update, where Microsoft explains how the system looks for carbon intensity data and downloads updates when energy usage is cleaner. This feature is active automatically. Number 2, Automatic Cloud Backup with Microsoft Account. If you sign in with a Microsoft account during setup, Windows 11 turn on cloud backups for apps and settings. Go to Setting Accounts, Windows Backup, and open Remember My Preferences. While this is not a full backup solution, these preferences help during device recovery. Number 3, Delivery Optimization. Located in Windows Update Advanced Setting, Delivery Optimization allows your device to download and upload update files to other PC on your network or the internet. Microsoft enables this by default, but I disabled it for more stable updates, even though it may use slightly more bandwidth. Number 4, Find My Device. Under Privacy and Security, the Find My Device feature automatically activates when using a Microsoft account. It helps you locate your PC if it goes missing and stores the device's last known location. Number 5, Device Encryption, BitLocker. Starting with version 24H2, Windows 11 turns on device encryption during a fresh install. The recovery key is stored in your Microsoft account. This protects data from unauthorized access, but it has sparked debate among users who prefer manual control. Number 6, Storage Sense. Found under System Storage, Storage Sense cleans temporary file and manages space automatically. I personally disable it because I prefer manual control, but Microsoft enables it by default to keep your system tidy. Number 7, System Protection, Restore Point. Interestingly, this one is disabled by default. Search for Create a Restore Point and check whether System Protection is turned on. Many users want this enabled so they can easily roll back if something goes wrong. That wraps up the 7 default Windows 11 settings you should check right after set up your PC. Taking a few minutes to review these options can significantly improve your privacy, performance, and overall reliability. And if you have any question or want me to cover other Windows features, feel free to drop them in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.